Good morning, student. Today we'll start new chapter that is a snake charmer's story. So, students, I'll explain this story to you. Please listen carefully. Student, let's read together. I am Aryanat. Aryanat, okay, is a boy. Boy means man, okay. He says like that, I can do something special which I'm very sure none of you can do. Do you know what? I can play the bean. You might be surprised. Yes, I can make snakes dance by playing the bean. I have learned this art from my family members. We people are known as Kalbelius. So here Ariana says he can do something very special which none of us can do. Do you know what was that? He can play bean. Bean, okay. Bean means it's instruments where he produce sounds, and through that sounds that snake can dance, okay, and moves. So these beans he learned from his family member only. From her family member only are known as Calbelius, okay, known as Calbelius. And through this, when snake listen these sounds, snake dance. My grandfather Rosen Nadji was famous amongst our people. He can easily catch many poisonous snakes. He tells me many stories about his past. So, Ariana's grandfather was very famous among their family member. Okay, his name was Rosen Nadji, and he can catch the animals, not animals, poisonous snakes very easily. And usually he tells his story to his sons. Come listen to his story in his own words. Dadaji remembers from the time of my grandfather and great grandfather. We have always been sapras, means snake charmers. Snakes have been an important part of our life. We used to move from village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo baskets. So now he tells his Dadaji story. Okay, his grandfather and great grandfathers. That they have been always snake charmers. So snakes is very important in his family life. So they move from village to village to carrying the snakes in bamboo baskets. Whenever we stop in a village, a crowd would gather around us. We would then make our snakes from baskets. So whenever they stops in a village, all the crowds will gather around us, and they take out their snakes from the basket. Even after the show, people would stay on. They knew that in our tiny box there were many types of medicines for them. We made these medicines from plants collected from the forest. I had learned all this from my grandfather. So even the show has got over, but the people will still remain only, because they knew in their tiny box they carrying different types of medicine for them. Okay, and these medicines they have collected from the forest only, and they made by plants. And he said like that he had learned days from his grandfather. I felt nice that I could help people with my medicines, even if doctors and hospitals were far from. In returns, people would give us some money or food grains. In this way, we could manage our life. So, he was very helping natures, okay, and he felt nice that when he helped the people with his medicines, because in the usually in the village, hospitals are very far from villages. So in returns, when they give to medicine to other persons, in returns the people would give them some money or food grains, okay. This is how they could manage their life. Sometimes I was sometimes I was called to places where someone had been beaten by snakes. Sometimes people used to call them where someone had been beaten by the snakes. From the marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had been beaten the person, and from the marks only he can recognize what kind of snake had been beaten the persons. I would then give a medicine for that. Then he gave according to poisonous snakes, or according to snakes he used to give medicine only. But I have not always been on time to help. But he was sometimes what happened, he is not on time to help the peoples. As you know, some snake bites can even cause death or on the spot. Yeah, but most of the snakes are not poisonous, but most of the snakes are not very poisonous, so they can save their life also. Sometimes when some farmers would come running for help, shouting snake snake, I would catch snake. So sometimes what happens, some of farmers, they just running for helping, and he could catch the snake very easily. After all, catching snake was something I had been doing since my childhood. Oh, those were the good days. We could help a lot of people in many ways. We also entertained them. It was not like today when everyone watches TV for entertainment. So he was very fond to catching the snakes, because this thing is doing since by his childhood only. So those days were the best days for them, that they could help a lot of people in many ways. Even they also entertained them sometimes. It was like not today when everyone watches only on TV. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous seeds. He also taught me how to close the tube of poisons in the snake's mouth. So, as he was growing, his father taught him everything. Everything means how to remove poisonous teeth, okay, and how to close the tube of poisons in the snake's mouth. Aryanant, your father used to travel with me ever since he was very young. He learned to play the beans without being taught. These days it is difficult. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high prices. So they made a law against this. Now with this law, how will we earn our livelihood? We people have never killed snakes and sold their skins. People say that we keep the snakes in bad conditions. Now Aryanant, his father's used to travel from his childhood only, and he learned that how to play the beans without being taught. Okay, nobody has taught that his grandfather that how to play the beans, but without being taught he learned it. And these days it is very difficult. Even what happens, the government has already banned that no one cage the animals and keep them, because what happens, some of the peoples, they just kill the animals and sell their skins at a high prices. So government has banned all these things. Some people say that people they keep the animals in a very bad conditions. That's why it is now banned. No one can cage the animals like this. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes. And he said if they wanted, they can even kill the animals and they can sell and they can earn lots of monies. But we would never do like that. But they never do like this. Snakes are our treasures that we pass on from one generation to another. We even give snakes to our daughters when they get married. They never torture the snakes, animals like that. Even they have gifted snakes to his daughter's marriage. In our Kalbelia dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of the snakes. Aryanats, you will have to make a different life for yourself. You have got your father's gift of playing the beans. You and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain peoples. But do not waste his knowledge about snakes. You have got your elders. Share your knowledge about snakes with children who live in the towns and cities. And now, even in their Kalbelia dance, they just move like snakes. And some of his elders says to Aryanat ki even you will have to make a different lifestyles for yourselves, and you and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain peoples. And you have to do not waste this knowledge about snakes. You have to got from your elders. So share your knowledge in towns and cities. Tell them that they should do not scared of snakes, and tell the people should not scare the snakes. Even help them to recognize poisonous snakes. Tell them how snakes are friends of the farmers. They eat the rats in the fields, otherwise rats would eat the crops. Now you tell a story, also make a new story of your life. Tell your grandfather also. So students, this is the story that we should not kill the animals. Okay. So students, let's do our exercise. Question number 1. Have you ever seen anyone playing a bean? Where? Answer has given. You can just note down. Yes, I have been seen snake charmers playing a beans. I have seen them in a fair. Question number 2. Have you ever seen a snake? Where? And answer is yes, I have seen a snake. I have seen it with the snake charmer and also in a paddy field. So this is question number 1 and 2. Now we'll see the question number 3. This is question number 3. Were you scared by it? Why? And here he's given, yes, I was scared by it. I have heard that snakes are poisonous. And we'll see the question number 4. Do you think all snakes are poisonous? No, never. Not all snakes are poisonous, but some are poisonous. No, question is no, I do not think so. So students, today's homework is you have to by heart all these questions and answers. Okay, from question number 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to remember. You have to by heart. Okay. If there is any confuse, you just see the videos again and again, and already I have given you questions, and I didn't give so much questions. I have given only 4 questions, and you have to remember for your exam. So student, thank you so much.